special occasion. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare special breakfast recipe that is 3 in 1. Firstly, rice dumplings. It is really loved by kids and it's healthy too. Second one is rice stuffed sweet. Definitely it stands for festive time. And the third, a traditional South Indian cuisine, especially Mangaluru, that is rice roti. For all these recipes, rice is the main base. Let's see how to prepare it, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get the notification. If you have already subscribed my channel, then please do like and share. To prepare this 3-in-1 special rice breakfast recipe, here I have taken around half a kg of rice. You can take any variety of rice, red rice, steamed rice or raw rice. Here I have taken, this is called as katsambar rice. We have to soak this at least for 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Then we have to grind it to this consistency. If we are grinding in a grinder, then we need not add more water. Then if you are grinding it in a mixie, we'll have to add water. Then later we'll have to mix it so that it will be thick. Apart from this, I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 bowl of coconut, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, salt to taste and half a cup of jaggery. First step is to make this rice batter thick. So we need to whisk this batter continuously and that no lumps are formed. Now the batter is ready. It is thick and it can be shaped into any form. Before heating the mixture, I have taken half a bowl of this rice batter and I am adding it to 2 cups of water and preparing rice syrup, which is used for rice dumplings. Now, to prepare dumplings, I need small tiny balls. You can shape it in any form, but here I am taking few tiny balls to prepare these dumplings. The dumplings are ready. Let's see how to cook it. Now here I have taken a kadai and to this I am adding 2 teaspoons of oil, and to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard. You can skip this if you don't like mustard. Now, when the mustard splutters, add the rice syrup which I have mixed the rice batter with water. This is really a wonderful recipe. To this, add salt and let it boil. When it's boiling, add the prepared rice balls into it. It has to get cooked in this liquid. It's just an intake of solid and liquid food in one bowl. It's really tasty and healthy too. It will be little thick when it is cooled. And now we'll go for the second, that is stuffed rice sweet. I'm taking a big portion of this mixture and with the help of a press, I'm getting into a small puri size shape. To this I am stuffing mixed jaggery and coconut, and we have to fold in this way and stuff it. So I have prepared this in a similar way. And now let's fry this. Sweet lovers will definitely like this. It tastes really good when it is served hot. We have to cook for 1 minute. Fry both the sides. And let's move ahead for the third, that is rice roti. For the same batter, I'm adding coconut here. You can add any vegetables of your choice or any masalas. Here I am taking only coconut. I am preparing simple rice roti. Now I have mixed coconut along with this. Now heat a pan and take a big portion of this and pat it on the tawa. Be careful that you don't harm your fingers. Now sprinkle little oil so that it will get well fried and will have that crunchiness. Close the lid and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. This is a very easy recipe. Flip it and fry both the sides. You can add ghee instead of oil. Now the 3-in-1 special rice breakfast recipe is ready. Do try it. And if you like my video, please do comment.